All right, just a few more feet, and here we are, gentlemen. The gates of Elzebub.
Good Lord.
Don't panic. This is what the last 97 hours have been about.
Stay frosty. There's a horde of armed goblins on the other side of that gate guarding the Sword of Azeroth.
Warriors, unsheath your weapons. Magic wielders, raise your wands.
Lock and load.
Raj, blow the gates.
Blowing the gates. Control, Shift, B.
Oh my God, so many goblins!
Don't just stand there. Slash that move. Slash that move.
Information!
Leonard, you got one on your tail.
That's all right. My tail's prehensile. I'll swat him off.
I got him, Leonard. Tonight I spice my mead with goblin blood.
Raj, no, it's a trap. They're flanking us.
He's got me.
Sheldon, he's got Raj. Use your sleep spell. Sheldon. Sheldon.
I've got the Sword of Azeroth!
Look at the sword. Sheldon, help Raj.
There is no more Sheldon! I am the Sword Master!
Leonard, look out.
Damn it, no, we're dying here.
Goodbye, peasants!
Bastard teleported.
He's selling the Sword of Azeroth on eBay.
You betrayed us for money? Who are you?
I'm a rogue night elf. Don't you people read character descriptions? Wait. Somebody just click buy it now.
I am the Sword Master.